Oberstadt, and as you can see, I just got out of the shower. I'm getting ready to go to bed. So I wanted to show you some of the things that I do at night before I go to bed. Now, I got this sample of Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. Really like using it at night. A little goes a long way. Naturally dark under eye circles, and for whatever reason, the doctors say it's allergies. Some people say it's my veins are too close to the surface. I don't know, but no matter what I do, I can't get rid of them. So I was told to moisturize, and it would help with the problems. Whatever's left over on my lid. So as you can see, I'm only using my ring fingers because this is the most delicate part of your face, and you don't want to apply a whole lot of pressure, and you want to be very, very careful with how you apply certain things. The next thing I'm going to use is the Tarte Maracuja Oil. Make sure that I fill the plunger before I pull it out of the bottle. A lot of problems with breakouts, especially like here, here, and here. But for whatever reason, this oil doesn't seem to bother my breakouts, and it's super moisturizing. Olive oil. Leftover, I just rub into my hands. And then the next step that I'm going to do, Purlisse Daily Lip Nourisher with mango and shea butter. Now, I didn't think I would like this at first because it's got mango in it. And I've got another product here that has mango in it, and I don't quite like it as much because it really smells like mango. So it's got a little angled tip on it, and I get about that much. That's probably a little too much. I am ready to go to bed because I brushed my hair before I put it in the towel, so I'm not worried about tangles or snarls or anything in my hair. And any excess oil that I've got left over, I like to massage into my hair as well. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber and you would like to be, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Also check throughout the video, there will be cards in the corner, and I put those there so that you can see other videos that I've done, or other like get ready with me, or other product reviews, stuff like that. So if you feel like you want to check out one of the other ones, then feel free to click one of the cards. Alright, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt, and I will see you guys later. I'm going to bed. It's almost 4 a.m. Good night.